everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Emerson's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. Now let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. First, I'll start with my centerpiece. I have the fall leaves running down the center. They were from Joanne Fabric. On each side, I have a gold butterfly, and they were from the Dollar Tree. My pumpkins were from Kroger. The candlesticks were from Goodwill. The large vase in the middle was from Home Goods, and I filled it with the flour and the pumpkins. The table runner was also from Ross's. Now I'll tell you a little bit about the place setting here. The beautiful glasses were a gift. The placemat was from Home Goods. The napkin was from Home Goods. The charger plate was from Amazon. The dinner plate is a Goodwill find, and it was a set, 6-piece place setting. The salad plate was also from Goodwill. And the little dessert plate, I think I purchased that at Home Goods. So this is my fall place setting for Tablescape Tuesday. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Amaston's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving their information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their channel and the complete playlist for Tablescape Tuesday. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Tablescape on Tuesday, because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I also want to thank all of my new subscribers, because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. I'm gonna let you take another quick look at it. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.